Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have a character art of an adult woman by Anishi, a pack of visual novel characters by Omburu, a collection of 6 ambient tracks to play as background music in our games by Robot Meadows. Next, we have 5 new plugin releases for today. An MV&MZ plugin by Monokura, which allows us to have certain items, weapons, and armors that cannot be sold in the shop, as long as a specific switch is on. 3 MZ plugins by Kannazuki Sasuke that show different sort of effects on screen. Diffused particles, soaring photons, and screen noise. All 3 are MZ ports of Sasuke's MV plugins. And lastly, a plugin that allows us to animate faces in the message window by Build436. That's all for today. There's usually a like or ratings button in most of these resources that I share, so always remember to go like and rate these resources, especially the free ones since you can download and check their quality right away.